Uy, move.
Wop wop.
Hi, ate. Ay, suplada.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
Where are you?
Here.
Hi. Come on, come on. Go, go. What is that, Sean? Is that a scarf?
Oh, black hair.
Mm-hmm.
And my thing. You.
Go, 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 go.
No, you make it.
Oh, I cannot make it.
Wow.
Because.
You.
Go na, go na, go na.
You do.
Ate, pasawa your brother, please.
I already know.
Pasawa your brother.
Ow, my butt. Mama.
Come on.
I know to make it. We have to roll it.
Okay.
We need to make those.
Pancake.
Sipa pa nun.
Bali sa video na yan, hinayaan si Andrew na magmaniobra ng boat. Kaya makikita nyo, tuwan-tuwa siya. Bali sinilent kung mode ko kasi may music, background music. Ayan si Andrew, tuwan-tuwa siya. Enjoy itong araw na to at sabi nga ni Mrs. best family day ever daw ito. Ayan. So sa mga kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, paki-like na lang po. Comment po kung may may mga feedback at kung gusto nyo pa pong makapanood ng susunod naming mga videos, subscribe na din po. Salamat. Bye. Enjoy. Continue watching. Bye.